This activity is designed to help clarify and provide concrete action steps for one of the more intangible letters in I+, attaining legitimacy. How exactly are we supposed to get featured in newspapers and television? While other activities seem more in our control, this is one of the few activities that doesn't grant complete self-agency. Most of us don't run one of these media companies or are related to one who does. Fortunately, you're almost certain to be connected to someone who does. And that's what this activity is about, parsing your network to find out who might be a potential link. It might not be obvious, and you might need to search. As such, this activity guide provides a list of options to consider, from most connected to least connected. For example, you might need to ask a contact to connect you to a +1 who is connected. If that doesn't work, you might need to resort to +1s of +1s, or look through people in your school. Worst case scenario, you can always resort to cold emailing. But most of the time, students only need to go one level down. As you'll soon find out in the sales and marketing module, referrals are incredibly powerful. Furthermore, once people know you're looking for why, they'll keep it in the back of their minds. And once they see it, they'll naturally think of you. Unlike other activities, this is also a field activity. So you'll need to get up from your computer or phone or wherever you're taking this course and go out into your real life to ask these questions. So put on your shoes and get out there.